get in cash.
Hotel voucher for Solaire Hotel in Manila, overnight stay for 2 with free breakfast. Wow!
May we call on our award presenters, Miss Mercy Pondoyo Ibarra for the trophy.
Mr. Rodelio Laed for the cash prize.
Mr. Dave Aguilar for the Utawi certificate.
And Miss Vanessa Yoshida for the hotel certificate.
Ang mga former grand champions na mag-awards sa third place winner. On stage, please. So this. Not heavy envelope. Sorry, ngayon, nasa akin ang kodigo. Okay, and so, the third place winner. Nanggaling, wow. Ito din, Nihongo de Otaoka. Ito, ang kinanta niya ay Tagalog.
Yay!
Pero ang sasabihin namin sa Nihongo, we will give you a hint. Kaya kailangan for the Filipinos here in Japan, we need to learn to study Japanese. We will say it in Japanese, but the song was interpreted in Tagalog.
Alright?
In Japanese, ikimasu.
もう一度心を開いて
Mo ichodo kokoro hiraite.
Muling buksan ang puso.
From Nagoya, Mr. Severino E. Estrella.
Contestant number 7, ladies and gentlemen. Yan. Congratulations.
Ayan. Wow. Actually, this is Severino's second try. Ganyan talaga, kung hindi mo makuha, don't stop. Diba?
Yes.
Don't stop.
Actually, yung ibang mga nanalo natin, yung mga winners, past winners natin, hindi lang po sila isang beses, 2 beses, or 3 beses na sumali.
O, sino kasi yun? Huwag na lang natin.
Pero
i-mention,
every time, hindi, ang nakakatuwa doon kasi, every time na sumasali sila sa Utawi, nag-i-improve sila.
Correct.
Hanggang makuha nila
Number 1.
Number one.
The champion siya, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, are you ready for the second prize winner? Marinig.
Niwa, dali na to mo yung masta. Hello. Mukhang, okay. Mina, dadyo ko ka na.
Okay, who are our presenters for... Okay, the second place winner will receive a certificate from Utawi Exicom.
A trophy, 75,000 yen in cash,
And a hotel voucher from Solaire Hotel in Manila, overnight stay for 2 with free breakfast. Can we call on now the presenters, Dr. Mel Zulueta Kasuya for the trophy. Professor Lee Hazel Schutz for the cash prize. Consul Dominique Hikade for the hotel voucher.
and Mr. Kitade for the certificate. Drum roll, please. Richard. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the second place winner.
The song is interpreted in Nihongo, in Tagalog, but we will say it in Nihongo. Nihongo no hito, onegaishimasu. Okay, we will get the winner sang the song in Tagalog. but we will give you a hint in Japanese.
あなたが私のすべて。
Anata wa watashi no subete. Ikaw ang lahat sa akin.
Yes!
Miss Eva
Ladies and gentlemen,
Takanashi.
Miss Eva Takanashi!
Contestant number 1. Yes.
Congratulations! Ayan. Congratulations po.
Galing-galing.
Diba? Sabi nga nila, kapag ka sumasali ka ng contest, weather lang yan. Panahon mo ngayon, ako naman next year.
Yes.
Ganon yun.
Yes.
Next.
Wow, galing.
Alright!
Are you ready for the first prize, the grand prize winner? Ready na po kayo?
Ready na?
Okay.
Wow! Imaginein mo.
Drum roll. Present up.
Ay! Kasi excited masyado. Okay. The Utawid 2019 Grand Champion will receive a certificate from Utawid Exibom, a trophy, hotel voucher from Solero Hotel in Manila overnight stay for 2, a round-trip ticket to the Philippines courtesy of our very own Philippine Airlines, and 100,000 yen in cash. Wow!
Okay, our presenters are the chairman of the board of judges, Professor Charles Abing, for the trophy.
Oh my gosh!
DCM Robespierre Bolivar for the cash prize. DCM po. And then Consul Kenneth for the Soler Hotel voucher and PAL travel certificate. And Miss Irene Canego for the Utawid certificate.
Tingnan mo nga naman. Mr. Richard, pakinaan mo muna yung ating, kailangan marinig ng lahat to. Diba? Dapat to talaga drum roll.
Anong ibig sabihin ng Utawid?
Uta means song,
And
awit means song.
Diba? So we're here to promote Filipino and Japanese songs,
Yes.
diba? At saka camaraderie between Filipinos and Japanese.
Yes.
Yes.
Pwede naman natin silang tanungin kung sino sa kanila yung nanalo.
Sino ang bet nyo na number 1 or number 1? Sino ang bet nyo na mananalo? Number?
8.
Sige! The winner of bingo.
Baka kayo meron kang And now, oh my gosh. Diba?
Can I ask everyone, please say, minasan ishoni itte kudasai. Utawid 2019.
Utawid 2019.
Hindi ko marinig, hindi ko sasabihin. Please say it loud. Utawid 2019. Okay, one more time, last time. Utawid 2019. And the winner is number...
Congratulations to everybody. You are all winners for us. Thank you very much to our sponsors. Without you, we won't be here. The regional qualifying round leaders, Mr. and Mrs. Bauer, the grand finalists, everybody, we love you so much. Utawid is about love, so whatever happens tonight, let's embrace everybody, okay?
Palakpakan po ulit natin lahat ng mga contestants and mga organizers all over Japan.
Tumatayo ang balihibo ko talaga. Oh my God!
Ang nanalo
Very
ay
lucky winner!
contestant number...
8.
Ay, ikaw na magsabi.
Takot talaga! Oh my
Ayaw ko
God!
magsabi.
Naiiyak ako! Okay, and now, ladies and gentlemen!
Sabay tayo.
Okay!
Contestant number. Oh, the winner is.
And the winner is contestant number 4.
Substitute one, huh?
Oh my God!
That was a substitute one, huh?
Kaya nakakagulat po mga kaibigan. Actually, siya po yung second place winner. May sakit po yung talagang kasali ngayon, ano? And 2 days lang tinawagan siya. Ayan. Mary Jane has joined Utawid RQR like 3 more times. She was always the second place winner. And now it's a dream come true that she came here to represent Kanagawa in the grand final. Nanalo pa siya! Congratulations!
彼女は何回もダーウィットの予選会で準優勝されてて、ファイナルまで来たことはなかったんですけど、今回、神奈川の優勝者が病欠されたことで、このファイナルに出場できて、なんと今回、1位、このファイナル2019のファイナルの優勝者となりました。